In this video, I will show how to take backup of WordPress files and databases, because during clearing the malwares, the website design and functionality can be broken. So the backup file will help you to recreate the website. So first of all, we need to know what is hosting. The WordPress website is hosted in a hosting. It can be a GoDaddy, or it can be Namecheap, it can be SiteGround. Like this one, I have a HostGator account. So in a hosting, the website is hosted. So whatever we are seeing in the website, it's hosted in a hosting. So first of all, we need the hosting access of the website. Then go to hosting and click on cPanel. It will be redirected here. You can get all of the file access from File Manager. So as this is a domain, this is a root domain, so the website is hosted in public_HTML. So these are the files. So we need to take a backup of all files. Select all. Okay. Before taking the backup, you have to go settings, show hidden files, because there may be some hidden files in the server. We need to take the backup also for those files. Okay, we are getting a dot file here. Okay, so select all, right button, compress, zip, compress the file. So this is the file backup of WordPress website. So this is the file, right? So I'm going to download the file. Okay, now I have to take the database backup. What is database? A WordPress website is created with a database and some files. So we create the backup of the files. Now we have to take the backup of the databases. So let me create a new folder. So this is the file. And right now I have to find the database. First of all, in a hosting, there can be a lot of website hosted in subdomain or directory. That's why you need to know what is the database name of the website. First of all, go to public_HTML, and then you will find a file called wp-config.php. Edit the file. And here you're seeing the database name, DB name. At last, 618. Now go to your cPanel. Go to PHP myadmin. If you cannot find it, search here. Click on it. So the database was 618 at the very last. 618. So this is the database. Click on it. And now I will export the whole database from here. Export. Okay, just click on go. Okay, so this is the folder and just save. So we are getting both file and database. Okay, done. So right now the backup is done. If you have the WordPress access like WP admin, you can log in the website and install a plugin all-in-one WP migration. So it will help you to take a backup for both file and database. So this is bonus actually. If you want to skip, you can, no problem. So I'm taking the backup also for both database and file. Okay, go to all-in-one WP migration and export. Export to file. It will take some time to prepare the export files. But the benefit is, if the site is broken, you can just import the file. That's it. You don't need to upload the database, upload the file manually. You can just do this with this plugin. That's why I'm going to download the file. All done. So this is the way you can take the backup before doing any malware clean, because we have to clean the core files, the plugin files, the theme files, the function.php files, so that the site can be broken, the site functionality can be lost. That's why the backup is very important.